Join me as I dive into the wild theory of whether the Large Hadron Collider could actually create a time loop. The Large Hadron Collider, a massive circular tunnel buried beneath the French and Swiss countryside, is humanity's most ambitious attempt to unravel the secrets of the universe. This 27-kilometer-long behemoth is designed to smash protons together at nearly the speed of light, recreating the conditions that existed mere nanoseconds after the Big Bang. But what if I told you that this incredible machine could have an unforeseen consequence, the creation of a time loop? One of the fundamental concepts in modern physics is the notion that space and time are intertwined as a single fabric, known as spacetime. The LHC's experiments, which involve injecting high-energy particles into this fabric, could potentially create distortions or even tears in the fabric of spacetime. Some theories suggest that these distortions could lead to the formation of closed time-like curves, aka time loops. Imagine being stuck in a never-ending cycle of reliving the same moment over and over. It's a mind-boggling concept that challenges our understanding of the universe. Theoretical physicists have proposed various scenarios in which the LHC could create closed time-like curves. One such scenario involves the creation of miniature black holes, which could warp spacetime in such a way that a time loop is formed. Another scenario suggests that the LHC could produce a type of exotic matter that has negative energy density, capable of creating a stable wormhole that connects 2 points in spacetime, effectively creating a time loop. In order for time loops to exist, we need a way to move through spacetime in a non-linear fashion. This is where wormholes come into play. Wormholes are theoretical tunnels through spacetime that could connect 2 distant points, allowing for faster-than-light travel and, potentially, even time travel. The LHC could be creating the conditions necessary for wormhole formation, which in turn could give rise to time loops. The concept of time travel is often associated with the realm of science fiction, but some theories in quantum mechanics suggest that it could be more than just a fantasy. The many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics proposes that every time a decision is made, the universe splits into multiple parallel universes, each with their own version of reality. This raises the question, could the LHC be creating a gateway to one of these parallel universes, effectively creating a time loop? One of the most compelling theories surrounding the creation of time loops comes from the work of physicist John Wheeler. Wheeler proposed that the universe is a self-contained, cyclical system, where the laws of physics are cyclical in nature. This theory, known as eternal return, suggests that the universe undergoes an infinite cycle of expansion and contraction, with each cycle repeating the same sequence of events. The LHC could potentially be disrupting this cycle, creating a localized time loop that affects our perception of time. Physicist Brian Greene has also proposed that the LHC could be creating miniature universes, known as bubble universes, which could have their own unique laws of physics. These bubble universes could be creating closed time-like curves, effectively trapping us in a time loop. While these theories are certainly intriguing, it's essential to remember that they are still purely speculative. The LHC has not created a time loop, nor has it provided any conclusive evidence of their existence. Join me in exploring the fascinating realm of particle physics and the mysteries of spacetime. Share your thoughts on the potential of time loops in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos on physics and space exploration.